Welcome back, guys and girls. In today's video, I'm gonna break down how I make a drill beat in FL Studio. If you don't already know, I am Rajesh. So with all that said, let's get started. So for this one, I started with these strings. And as always, I bounce it down to audio. Then I added this chord progression, which is really simple. And together with the strings, it sounds like this. And that is it for the intro. I like to keep my intro short and simple. You can never go wrong with that. And from the intro, it went straight to the chorus. And as I always say, the music should tell you where to go next at all times. So for the chorus, I added this sample that I got on Splice. I had to chop it up to get it to fit together with the other melodies, and that's basically the entire melody for the beat. So after I got the melodies down, I started messing around with the hi-hats to get that drill vibe. But the main hi-hat wasn't doing exactly what I wanted, so I added this other hi-hat. Now that I have the hi-hats, I'm gonna add some snares. So I later clapped with a rim to get my snare sound. Then I added some percussions. Then the kick to complete the drums. And with the melodies, this is how it sounds so far. If you don't already know, this is my favorite part, the 808. It's simple, but this is what I thought works best for the beat. This is how it sounds with the drums and the melodies. Oh, and I layered the snares with this. And I also added this hi-hat thingy. In the first 4 bars of the verse, I remove the splice sample, and I also cut the kick and the 808 for about 4 beats, then I bring them back in. In the second 4 bars, I added back the splice sample, and I made minor changes to the drums and the 808. For the build up back to the chorus, I added another counter melody. This sound is from Flex, a stock plugin in FL Studio, and I just have the hi-hats for the drums with a reverb strike at the end. And this will repeat for the second verse with just minor changes to the drums. And that's pretty much the entire beat. If you have any questions or any feedback, just leave a comment down below. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification because I will be uploading a video every Friday. Thanks for watching. I'm out.